is a part activity 1. Reading a short news report. Facebook knows almost everything about you and uses that to show as designed to appeal to your interests. By Seth Figerman. That's nothing new, but on Friday, a report surfaced that these targeted ads can potentially be used illegally. Facebook has an ad customization option called ethnic affinities, which lets advertisers target specific groups or exclude them. ProPublica found that the tool can be used to discriminate against users with housing-related ads, which is forbidden under the Fair Housing Act. Facebook doesn't ask users for their race, but the massive amounts of data it collects can infer it. ProPublica tested his feature by posting an ad for a housing event that it requested not be shown to anyone with an ethnic affinity of African American, Asian American, or Hispanic. It said that the ad was approved in 15 minutes. The 1968 Fair Housing Act prohibits advertising the rental of or sale of homes and discriminating based on race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, or national origin. Facebook has said that ethnic affinity is not the same as a user's race. It's based on interest and behavior, such as the page someone has liked. Multicultural marketing is a common practice in the ad industry and helps brands reach audiences with more relevant advertising. We've heard from groups and policy makers who are concerned about some of the ways or targeting tools could be used by advertisers. We are listening and working to better understand these concerns, the company said in a statement, reporting Mayra Escobar.